Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are tackling a major health concern for newborns, jaundice. Jaundice is a condition where the skin and eyes turn yellow due to high bilirubin levels in the blood. It's common in newborns and usually harmless, but severe cases can lead to brain damage or other complications. Early detection is key, but traditional tests can be invasive. I've built a device that measures bilirubin, the cause of jaundice, using nothing but a color sensor and some code plus basic electronics. This is my bilirubin monitoring device. While others use cameras and AI, I went direct to use a color sensor chip, this one, that sees more colors accurately than any other camera. It connects to a microcontroller which is inside, which processes the data and displays the results on LCD screen. The RGB hemisphere lights up mimicking the detected skin color. My bilirubin monitoring device is simple, effective, and surprisingly accurate. Here is the physics. Bilirubin absorbs blue light and reflects yellow. My sensor has a red, green, and blue photodiodes with separate infrared filters. When I place it against a skin, it measures exactly how much blue light gets absorbed versus what gets reflected. More bilirubin means less blue light detected and more yellow reflection. Let me show you how it works. The color sensor is put on the skin and a switch is pressed. The system scans through the sensor to get the blue to green ratio in the skin reflected light. I programmed it to convert this ratio into an estimated bilirubin level in milligrams per deciliter. For different skin colors, I printed on a piece of paper different yellow skin colorings with known bilirubin concentrations. My device consistently detected the progression from light yellow to dark yellow, converting all this into an estimated bilirubin levels in milligrams per deciliter. Imagine this being used somewhere in a clinic. Instead of subjective visual assessments, a nurse gets to know the bilirubin values in seconds. The entire system costs less to build, and it could provide a quick screening in remote areas or help parents monitor newborns at home between doctor visits. This is just a prototype and not a medical device, for it does not account for different skin colors and fat, but shows how simple electronics can tackle real medical challenges. That was my project on non-invasive bilirubin monitoring. If you like such innovative projects, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. You can also check out on my Patreon page for more exclusive content. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments.